square body to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Always a popular body style, no doubt about that. 1986 C10 regular cab short box, canyon copper in color with doe skin tan lower portion, little patina feel to it, kind of a custom truck. Underneath the hood, 5.3 liter LS engine, fuel injection system on Holley Sniper EFI. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission 4L60E. This thing's set up to drive. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Grille, headlights, you can see a little more modern, high intensity discharge type headlight. And when I said kind of a little patina feel to this as far as the paint goes, might have a little dinger here or there. Notice on the hood, looks like it could be along the lines of the original paint, so it shows its age a little bit, but cool look to it, no doubt about that. Check out the still pictures. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the US Mags wheels. Nice chrome wheels, low profile radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see around that wheel well, it's not all corroded or rotted away. Lower rockers look good. And actually these panels are pretty darn straight if you take a look down them also. It's like I said, just the paint shows its age some. Now, as far as windshield, side glass, appears that the windows and glass is tinted on this. So know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of window tint that you can have as far as the darkness goes. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Around the rear wheel well, again, you can see it's not all corroded, rusted away. How many times you see those things rotted and flapping in the wind if you're in the upper Midwest states? Take a look at the chrome rear bumper. Looks good. Tailgate. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, some of the newer things in this truck are things that have been serviced recently. It does have new transmission cooler lines, also newer A-arms, shocks, coil springs, and new brake hoses. Tech did mention the sway bar bushings could use a little attention. Be repaired. Tech also states this thing stops straight and it'll stop on a dime. Left rear axle seal and wheel cylinder were seeping slightly. Wanted to make sure I mentioned that. True dual exhaust with mufflers. Heater works. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these square bodies, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. If you make it see us in person, let's take a look down this driver's side again, around the wheel wells. Not all rotted, corroded. Lower rockers look good. Again, you can kind of see that patina I'm talking about in the paint. And this rear side of the bed. And then, of course, a few dingers here or there. Again, kind of just a cool look for this truck. The truck is lowered in the rear C-channels. That's quite noticeable when you're looking at the side of it. Nice looking stance. How about the interior? Looks like doe skin interior, kind of two-tone, of course, mocha dash. Power locks, power windows. I didn't really notice any rips, tears, holes in the seat. Full aftermarket steering wheel tilt column. We go ahead, click the key on. You'll see this Holley Sniper system. All right, we're powered up. Fuel pressure. Turn the key. Top of the dash looks good. Headliner. Let's listen. Sounding good. throaty exhaust note. And again, 5.3 liter LS engine. I'm going to pause it a second. Let's check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end. Jason will drive this truck. You can take a virtual ride with him, see how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner looks good. There we go. We also have headers, as you can see. Cold air intake, again, power steering, power brakes. There it is. Aluminum radiator. Original AC truck, not all the components are there. Running pretty smooth, looks good. Be a fun one. A little custom look, a little bit of patina to it. 1986 Chevrolet C10. Great 80s colors too. Canyon copper, doe skin tan. Call us 507-386-1726. Check out all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1986 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Lowered a little bit with some nice large wheels, looking good, and Terminator X screen right down here for monitoring the engine vitals. Now our stock gauges don't appear to be functioning properly, except maybe the battery one that is showing 14 volts. And the speedometer is working, and the fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank, so that all looks good. The blower motor does blow air. We have a retro sound style radio on the dash. And that actually has some really good sound. Nice aftermarket steering wheel. Simulated leather on the front with aluminum finger grooves in the back. Nice cloth bench seat, very comfortable. We got power windows. Good road feel. This truck is firm enough to handle well. Let's see how she does in the corner overhead here. Brakes nice and responsive. Brakes very smooth. It doesn't pull to either side. Nice rumble from that exhaust. Oh yeah, this truck stays nice and flat in the corners. Corners nicely. There's the kick down and the acceleration. Nice acceleration in this truck. Check out all the pictures of this 1986 Chevrolet C10, slightly modified, over at uniqueclassiccars.com.